Children, now we go to wind up our today's class. We will meet again on next TVS class. Okay? Then, bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Children, all of you please take your page number 36. Worksheet 1. Let's name the following. Children, in this worksheet, we are going to learn about sources of water. What is? Sources of water. Look here. What we can see here? Yes, here we can see 3 pictures of different sources of water. Here you have to write the name of these sources. Okay? Now look here. What is this? Yes, this is river. R-I-V-E-R. River. So, you have to write here river. Okay? Then next picture. What is this? Yes, this is sea. S-E-A. Sea. So, you have to write here sea. Okay? Then third picture. What is this? This is very familiar to us. Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is well. W-E-L-L. So, you have to write here well. Okay? So, children, all of you please listen once again. River, sea, well. Then, your next activity. Let's read the word sun. Children, look here. What we can see here? Here, we can see a word sun. Isn't it? Yes. This word sun is about water sources. Okay? Let's see which are the different water sources. Okay? Look here. Well, sea, spring, stream, fountain, river. So children, the next 2 you have to write here. Okay? Now tell me what we write here. Yes, here we can write pond. Isn't it? Yes, P-O-N-D. Pond. Then here we can write lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Isn't it? Yes. So children, all of you please listen once again. Stream, spring, sea, well, pond, river, fountain, then lake. Isn't it? Yes. All these are different sources of water. Okay. Then our next activity. My dear children, here the first one is done for you. Like this, you have to complete the rest of the sentences. Okay? Now look here. What's our first one? We get water from well. We get water from well. Okay? Then second one. We get water from sea. So, you have to write here sea. S-E-A. We get water from sea. Then third one. We get water from spring. Like this, all of you please try to complete the rest of the sentences. Okay? Children, let's move on next page. Page number 37. Worksheet 2. Okay? Children, worksheet 2. Let's match the following. Children, we all know that water is very important to our life, isn't it? Yes. Look here. Here we can see pictures of different uses of water, isn't it? And on the other side, we can see the names of the uses of water, isn't it? Yes. So, children, here what you have to do is you have to match the picture and names correctly. Okay? So, children, here what you have to do is you have to match the pictures and the names correctly. Okay? Now look here. What is the boy doing here? Yes, he is drinking water. Look here. Drinking water. Yes. So, you have to match here. Okay? Then next one. A man is washing clothes. Isn't it? Yes. Look here. Washing clothes. Where is? Yes. Washing clothes. So, you have to match here. Okay. Then, a girl is watering plants. Isn't it? Yes. So, you have to match it. Okay. Watering plants. Then, fourth one. Here, a lady is cleaning the floor. Isn't it? Yes. So, where is? Yes, cleaning floor. So, you have to match it. Okay. Then, last one. Here, a mother is cooking food. So, you have to match here. Okay. So, children, all of you please listen once again. A boy is drinking water. A man is washing clothes. A girl is watering plants. A lady is cleaning floor. A mother is cooking food. Okay. So like this, try to match it. Okay. Let's move on next worksheet. Worksheet 3, page number 38. Children, our worksheet 3. Let's solve this word puzzle. Children, here we are going to learn about some living things related with the water. Okay? Look here. What we can see here? Here we can see a square. Isn't it? And in this square, we can see so many letters. I mean, so many alphabets. Isn't it? Yes. Then what is our activity? Our activity is, in this box, some names are hidden. So, you have to find out that names. Okay? It is very easy. Children, do you know what are the names about? Look here. Below, we can see some pictures. Isn't it? Yes. By looking these, we could understand that all these are living things related with the water. Isn't it? Yes. So, your activity is you have to find out these living things' names from the puzzle. Okay? So, let's start. First one is done for you. Look here. Snail. Look here. Snail. Then, second one. Look here. From the first row itself, we could find out a name. Isn't it? Yes. Crocodile. Here we can see crocodile. So, you have to write here crocodile. Okay? Firstly, you have to circle crocodile in this puzzle. Then, you have to write here crocodile. Okay? Then, second one. Look here. Fish. So, firstly, circle it. Then, write here fish. Okay? Like this, all of you try to solve this word puzzle. Okay? Fish, duck, frog, snail, tortoise, then crocodile. Okay? Then worksheet 4. Children, here we are going to learn about floats on water and sinks into water. Okay? Now look here. Let's discuss and write which of the following items float on water. Okay? For that, names of some items are given here. So children, firstly let us read. Paper, ruler, thermocol, rubber band, chalk, toothbrush, pencil cutter, knife, nail, stone, key. So, these are the items. Look here. A table is given here. Isn't it? Yes. So, children, you have to write these names according to the item that floats on water and sinks into water. Okay? Now look here. Here, one example is given in each section. Here, thermocol and this toothbrush. Children, we all know that the lightweight items are float on water. Then, the things with more weight sinks into the water. Isn't it? Yes. Now look here. What's our first one? Yes, paper. We know that paper is a very lightweight item. So, it will float on water. Okay? So, you have to write here paper. Then second one, ruler. It will sink into the water. Okay? Then third one, thermocol. It is already given here. Then rubber band. Rubber band will float on water. Then chalk. Chalk will sink into the water. Okay. Toothbrush is already given here. Then pencil cutter. Children, in this most of them are lightweight item. Isn't it? So, you have to write here pencil cutter. Pencil cutter will float on water. Okay. Then knife. It will sink into the water. Nail, float on water. Stone, sink into the water. Then last, key. It will sink into the water. Children, our next worksheet 5. Let's complete the sentences. Children, look here. Here we can see few pictures of different living things. And here you have to complete these sentences. Okay? Now look here. What is the dog saying? Dog says, I drink water. I can't live without water. Like this, you have to complete the rest of this. Okay? Look here. What is the next picture? Yes, fish. Now tell me, what is fish saying? Yes, fish says, I live in water. I can't live without water. Once again, I live in water. I can't live without water. Okay? Then next picture, paddy field. Here you have to write, I need water to grow. What is? I need water to grow. I can't grow without water. Okay? Then next one, duck. Duck says, I swim in water. I can't swim without water. Once again, I swim in water. I can't swim without water. Okay. Then last, a boy. What is the boy saying? Yes, he says, I need water for many needs. I can't live without water. Once again, I need water for many needs. I can't live without water. Okay? So children, all of you please listen once again. Dog says, I drink water. I can't live without water. Fish says, I live in water. I can't live without water. Paddy fields, I need water to grow. I can't grow without water. Duck, I swim in water. I can't swim without water. Boy, I need water for many needs. I can't live without water. Okay? Let's move on next page. Children, now all of you please take your worksheet 6. What do you see in the picture? Children, what do you see in the picture? What we can see here? Yes, here we can see a river. And near to this river, we can see a man and a boy is standing. Isn't it? Yes. Then look here. What is in the man's hand? Yes, a cover full of bottles. And what is he doing? Yes, he is going to throw the waste into the river. And look here. In the boy's hand, we can see a placard. And what's this? Save river. Isn't it? Yes. Now, what's our activity here? Look here. Let's prepare placards. Select expressions from the box given below. Children, here we can see 2 placards. So, what you have to do here is, you have to prepare 2 placards. Okay? So, let's read the expressions in the box. Look here. First one, don't waste water. Second one, don't throw waste. Then, walk along the right side of a road. Wake up early. Save our rivers. Keep water clean. Children, in this, correct expressions are don't throw waste. Then save our rivers. Isn't it? Yes, of course. So you have to write here, don't throw waste. Then here, save our rivers. So my dear students, all of you please don't throw waste into the river. Then save our rivers. Okay? Don't forget it. Then worksheet 7. Let's complete the word puzzle. Children, here we can see a word puzzle. Here you have to write correct answers on these columns. Okay? Look here. Here we can see numbers on this column. Isn't it? Yes. And for writing the answers, the clues are given below. Look here. Yes. First one, across. And second, downwards. Across. What is the first one? You drink me every day. I am a 5-letter word. Tell me what's the answer? You drink me every day. I am a 5-letter word. Look here. The first letter of this answer is W. Then 5 letter. What's the correct answer? Yes, of course. Very good. Water. W-A-T-E-R. So you have to write here water. Okay. Then second one. You eat my eggs. I can swim. What's the answer? You eat my eggs. I can swim. Here, the first letter of this answer is D. You eat my eggs and I can swim. First letter D. What's the answer? Yes, duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Isn't it? Yes. Then third one. I am a plant. I live in water. Tell me, you know that I am a plant. I live in water. My first letter is L and last letter is S. Tell me, what's the answer? Yes, very good. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Isn't it? Yes. Now look here. What's the fourth one? I am very cool. Very cool. Tell me, what's this? I am very cool. Number 4. 4. I am very cool. What is? Tell me, hurry up. Yes, eyes. I-C-E. Eyes. Isn't it? Then, fifth one. I live in water. You eat me. Tell me, I live in water. You eat me. And what's the first letter? First letter is F. So what is? Yes, fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Okay. Then downwards. Number 6. I come from sea. You use me in curries. What is? I come from sea. You use me in curries. Is this fish? No, never. I come from sea. You use me in curries. And first letter is yes. So tell me what's the answer? Yes, salt. Yes, A-L-T. Salt. Okay. Then last one. My water is salty. Tell me, my water is salty. Yes, very good. C. Yes, E-A. C. Okay. So like this, all of you complete the word puzzle. Okay. Children, now all of you take your next page. Our last activity. Assessment. Page number 43. Let's complete the word sun. Children, look here. Here we can see 2 words sun. Isn't it? First one, uses of water. Second one, water sources. So children, here you have to write uses of water. Okay? You can write this answer with the help of page number 37. Okay? Then second one, water sources. Here you have to write sources of water. You can write this answer with the help of page number 36. Okay? Then look here. What's this? Let's prepare plug cards to save water. So children, all of you do yourself. Okay? Children, now we go to wind up our today's class. We will meet again on next TVS class. Okay? Then, bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.